Are you tired of the slow and imprecise punching processes in your factory? We have the solution for you. Introducing the ACU CNC Punching Center, the ultimate punching and stretching solution for any factory. With its cutting-edge technology and advanced features, the ACU CNC Punching Center revolutionizes factory efficiency and precision like never before. Say goodbye to labor-intensive processes and hello to automation. The ACU CNC Punching Center eliminates the need for manual labor, allowing you to produce more in less time. With its high-speed punching, it can handle a wide range of materials with precision, accuracy, and consistency. But that's not all. The ACU CNC Punching Center is equipped with intelligent programming and positioning, ensuring seamless operation and perfect results every time. It also offers a variety of punching and stretching options, giving you endless possibilities for customization. Don't let outdated punching methods slow you down. Upgrade to the ACU CNC Punching Center and experience the future of factory efficiency and precision. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more industry-leading solutions.